My friend who also works at the Cheesecake Factory was telling me the other day that nuclear power plants are going to blow up the world soon if...
A misconception actually, Penny. The disaster of Chernobyl was broadcast throughout the media while the success of nuclear power isn't well known. First, though, you must understand how a nuclear reactor works. It's basic physics, Penny.
Oh, here we go. Wait, Sheldon?
Nuclear power plants generate energy through the heat that nuclear fission in the core of the reactor produces. Nuclear fission occurs as neutrons are fired into an unstable nucleus. When the uranium atom encounters the neutron, the nucleus becomes very unstable and splits into two lighter atoms, and more neutrons are emitted. These neutrons then hit other neutrons and causes a chain reaction. The chain reaction produces energy in the form of heat. If you knew anything about Einstein, you would know that the energy equals mc squared.
Wait, what does this have anything to do with the world being blown up by dangerous nuclear power plants? Penny, just stop.
The fission occurs in uranium rods in the core of the reactor with control rods placed strategically to ensure that the fission doesn't occur uncontrollably. Then the uranium rods are cooled with water so that the reactor doesn't get too hot. If the reactor does overheat, that is where the term meltdown comes from. Meltdowns really only occur if there is a slight malfunction in the water being used to cool the rods. In reality, they are quite easy to prevent, and the meltdowns that have happened in history aren't likely to occur again.
I still don't see why the risk of a meltdown and exposure to radiation is worth it. I'd rather just stick with coal power to be on the safe side.
Well, in India, nuclear power plants are not allowed because they can reduce radiation, which causes health effects. Well, actually, if you did some research, Raj, you would know that nuclear power plants are actually quite safe. You would consume more radiation by eating a banana than from living near a reactor. Also, there are quite a few more benefits to nuclear energy. First of all, countries like France, who has 58 reactors, have very cheap energy costs for household consumers because almost 40% of the energy is produced by nuclear power.
I really don't care anymore.
In Bulgaria, which has 2 reactors, 40% of their power is produced by nuclear power. In addition, using nuclear power leads to much better air quality because the main byproduct of nuclear power is steam. Also, there are fewer pollution-related deaths when nuclear power is used.
Well, maybe we should stop using nuclear power so Sheldon can experience a pollution-related death.
Haha. Did you know that one uranium pellet has the potential to generate more energy than a ton of coal? So nuclear power is clean, more cost efficient, and actually safer than many other forms of energy that we are doing today.
Wow, thank you so much, Sheldon. That was very enlightening. Can we get Chinese food now?